Step 7 for being more easily understood by your global team is ask clarification questions. For non-native speakers of certain cultures, not understanding what is being said is a mark of shame. Thus, they will often nod their head as you speak, pretending they understand. To avoid this, ask clarification questions. Often, if you ask a clarification question to see if they understand, have any questions, need you to repeat something, or to slow down, then they will feel comfortable enough to let you know if they're not following. Therefore, periodically check in with clarification questions. And if you really want to ensure you're being fully understood, ask your audience to summarize what you just said back to you. If they can't, they're not really getting it.